Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to the Cat Kings channel. I hope all of you guys are well geared up for your CAT exam, which is coming tomorrow. Very important things to keep in mind: what you can carry, what you cannot carry to the center. So please sit with a pen and paper, or please be very alert right till the end so that you do not mess up tomorrow. Keep all your documents ready today itself. Sit back and relax so that there is no stress and panic tomorrow. Okay. So here is your D-Day checklist, what you're going to carry. First thing, you're going to carry a printed admit card. You have to make sure you are carrying a printed copy of your admit card. Very important. All right. On that, affix the same photograph which is already there, what you had submitted. That same photograph needs to be attached. There's a khali dabba on your admit card, तो same photograph attach करो. Same नहीं है अभी, crisis situation में हो तो similar लेके जाना, but reach before time on the center so that you can beg plead the authorities to let you in. Okay. Carry a government ID. Government ID best option is Aadhaar card लेके जाओ. कुछ नहीं है तो take your election card, PAN card and passport, either of them. A mask is mandatory. Water bottle if you want, then carry a transparent one. Okay. Some centers allow to wear socks, some centers do not allow to wear socks. That is something which you can choose at your own risk. Gloves is not mandatory, but if you want to be very cautious about COVID spreading and everything, you can. But if you're carrying gloves, तो थोड़ा सा अच्छे वाले लेके जाना कि आप type कर सको and you can make use of the system. All right. So keep that in mind for sure. Make sure you guys are reaching the center before time. Target should be 45 minutes before your slot. You are at the center, bare minimum, so that you do not have any panic moments coming out there for you guys. Okay. Eat something and go. Don't go empty stomach. Be someone who you are yourself. If you are someone who loves to study, I've told this before also कि last minute तक पढ़ना पसंद है तो अपनी book साथ लेके जाओ, revise करते जाओ, formulas, mock test जो चाहिए तुम्हें to keep you calm, to keep you confident. जो मेहनत करी है इतने साल इतने महीने सब उस दिन पे it's going to help you guys. So be at ease, be calm, be composed. Take blessings of your parents, God, your फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. भगवान में नहीं बिलीव करते हो तो एक दिन के लिए थोड़ी सी एक्स्ट्रा ब्लेसिंग्स मिल जाएगी, ले जाना, थोड़ा सा प्रे करके जाना. ठीक है, कुछ कम तो नहीं होगा हमारा, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट ऑल यू हैव टू डू. सम थिंग्स व्हिच आर अ बिग नो नो, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू कैरी. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू नो दैट एज वेल. सो व्हाट इज नॉट अलाउड फॉर अस? First thing, no jewelry. So all the girls out here, no jewelry, no accessories, no earrings, rings, bracelets. कोई fashion show नहीं चल रहा है वहाँ पे. No pens and paper allowed. They will give you a rough sheet and a pencil or a pen, whatever. You have to use that only. Okay. Then you are not allowed to carry any mobile or electronics there with you guys. So mobile phones, watches, calculator, मत लेके जाओ. Bag भी avoid करो लेके जाना. Okay. If you want, they will not give you a locker at the center. So it's at your risk. So carry a very small bag which has, let's say, your water, your admit card, wallet to go back home and your phone. But keep it there at the center. It's at your own risk. Do not carry valuables. वहाँ पे लैपटॉप ये सब तामझाम लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. For girls, no मेहंदी allowed. ये सब allowed नहीं है. मेहंदी and any tattoos done on your hand वैंड कुछ नहीं. जो है अच्छे से ढंग से जाना, formally dressed. ठीक है. Then no jackets with pockets. Now, if you are someone who feels very cold, to wear a sweater, wear double t-shirt and go, but do not wear high heel shoes. Do not wear boots which have long heels or long sole, because that's not allowed. They'll make you remove your shoes. They can make you remove your socks at the center and go bare feet as well also. No jackets with huge baggy pockets and stuff. You have to ensure that there is no way that you can cheat, right? So अगर ठंड लगती है तो एक चाहिए तो स्टोल साथ में कैरी कर लो, जैकेट पहनो जिसमें पॉकेट्स नहीं है, कार्डिगन पहन लो, स्वेटर डाल लो या डबल टी शर्ट पहन के जाओ. ठीक है. So keep that in mind. So these are very few basic things to keep in mind, but सबसे important, be calm, be relaxed. You have done your best. Just go give your best shot. All right. And if you guys remember, Rahul sir के 3 फंडे, Red Bull पी के जाना, Snickers खा लेना, hide and seek खा लेना, and give your best shot. All right. Bye bye. Take care and all the best. Stay tuned. We will be coming up with all the analysis for CAT 2021. Let's make sure we convert every call we get and we get a really good score. from CAT. All right. All the very best once again. Bye-bye. Take care.